Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about artificial sugar which we eat with so much of joy, how it is a slow poison, how it is harming us, how this sugar is not good for health and how the sugar is impacting our health and what we can do to replace this sugar, how we can stop the further damage that has been caused by sugar. So let's try to understand how much is our intake of sugar, because many times this happens when we talk about sugar, we say we don't take sugar. Sometimes occasionally we are taking sugar in form of sweets or something. Otherwise in daily we are not taking sugar. Yes, you are not taking sugar daily, it's true, but you are taking sugar in another forms. What are these forms? Like some milk powder, some chocolate powder for drinking milk, your morning cornflakes. It also contains added sugar, Coca-Cola and all kind of cold drinks, all the packed juices, biscuits, cookies, cakes, even our ketchups and all the chips these days we are eating from market, they also contain sugar. So it is just silently entering in our body without letting us know. But we are very unaware of the fact that how this sugar is impacting our system. I am not against sugar, like you can't eat sugar at all, but it is just that you should not take sugar on regular basis this much, because it is going to impact on your internal organs, it's going to impact on your cardiac issues, it's going to impact on your intestine health, and in some cases also it becomes like so difficult, it damages pancreas and then people have developed insulin dependency, in short they get diabetes. Now you must be thinking like all these labor class or hard working people, they are eating a lot of sugar, they are not getting impacted by anything. Yes, they are not getting impacted because they are doing a lot of workout. If you have taken any sugary thing, you need to do a lot of workout. Otherwise, it is not good for the health of your internal organs, and that's why all these small children, they are getting obese and obesity is just in fashion these days. So this all is happening because we are not aware of sugar intake. So first impact whenever we take sugar is our dental caries. So make sure whenever you are eating any sugary thing, make sure to brush your teeth after eating any sugary thing. Next place where this sugar impacts is our stomach. If your digestive fire is weak, if you have some kind of acidity or any kind of problem in your stomach, it can be gastric ulcer, peptic ulcer, this sugar is not good for these kind of things because it not allowed to heal you faster. In addition to that, if you have any kind of skin problem like itching, pimples, acne, you will observe if you stop eating sugars, slowly, very quickly you will see the results on your face. If you stop taking any kind of artificial sugar that you are taking from outside, you will see that your face will start glowing. So now the question comes, so what do? We like ice cream, we want to eat ice cream. So if you want to eat ice cream, you can use coconut in ice cream, you can use dates in ice cream, you can use milk ice cream, that is natural form of ice cream. These kind of ice cream not bad for health. It is just what I am telling you, just replace this sugar with some healthy options. Definitely it will not as tasty as your artificial things that are made up of sugar or caramel, but it's more on the healthier side. If you are among those people who are taking ice cream daily, then you need to shift on these things, like replace your ice cream with your dates in ice cream or milk ice cream or some kind of palm sugar, jaggery, these kind of ice creams. And if you are occasional eater, still you can have if you are in good health. In addition to that, try to use more and more homemade bread, because homemade bread doesn't contain sugar, but if you buy bread from the market, then maybe it contains sugar. And try to search those breads which doesn't contain sugar content in it, because you know our tongue is addicted to sugar, and all these commercial companies, they want to take advantage of that, like, you know, make bread little on the sweeter side so that it become tasty, all children will eat, and their product is good selling. So it is just a market trick, because our market is so unfortunate, like our market is not health oriented, it is commercial, it is profit oriented. But if we will become aware, then definitely all these people, they will give products which are health oriented. It is just because we are unaware, that's why companies are producing those products in which they get benefited. So I guess it is time that we need to shift from economical things to healthier things. If you have a lot of thirst for sugar, you can use jaggery, you can use honey, you can use dates, you can use palm sugar, and you can make even Indian laddus, you know, with jaggery. Whatever cake you are making, if you are using sugar in that, you just try replacing sugar with jaggery or palm sugar, and you will see the amazing taste. The taste will be enhanced, and it will be healthy, it will satiate your tongue, and it will make your body more healthy. Just try it out and see the results. From this video, I am not going to, please don't guess it like I am against sugar, not like this, but I am just trying to tell you, try to shift yourself on the healthier option so that you will not catch any chronic ailment, and you will enjoy the life to the fullest with full of taste. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there's a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID, and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down your questions in the comment section, and I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.